Hello, this video and report provides the Guelph and Tri-City housing market stats for the month of April 2023. For the fourth month in a row, we've seen housing price increases in all of our local markets. The following are some of the key metrics relative to March of this year. In Guelph, the median sales price was $795,000, which is up by 7.1%. The average sale price per square foot was $530, which is up by 3.7%. The total number of listings was 221, which is down by 11.6%, and the total number of sales was 180, which is down by 2.7%. For the Tri-Cities, in Kitchener, the median sales price was $750,000, which is up by 2.7%. In Waterloo, it was $786,500, which is up by 5.8%. And in Cambridge, it was $740,000, which is up by 7.9%. As mentioned, for the fourth straight month, we've experienced median sale price increases. You would think that this has been caused by a normal increase in spring activity, which is true for Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge. However, in Guelph, it's a slightly different story. The number of sales in Guelph has actually dropped 2.7% last month relative to March. The price increase in Guelph was caused by a much lower amount of new listings that hit the market. Relative to April of last year, housing prices and activity levels are down across the board. Guelph, Kitchener, and Cambridge prices are all down by 10 to 15% respectively. In Waterloo, however, prices are only down by 3.7%, so they're almost back up to the same level they were last year. There are two consistencies in all of our local markets. Both the number of new listings and the number of sales are down significantly relative to April of last year. Demand is down a little bit, and inventory levels are down significantly. This doesn't come as a surprise, as the downturn in the market didn't happen until May of last year. If you're thinking about a move, now's actually a really good time. Our homes are finally starting to get back our curb appeal after a long winter, so buyers can actually see what they're buying. And relatively speaking, this time of year offers the greatest amount of choice for both buyers and sellers. Timing is also good for those who are looking for a summer move before the new school year. If you're considering a move, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you out. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.